So what is a video resume? Really, think of it as your elevator pitch, delivered face-to-face through a screen. It's not here to replace your PDF resume, it's here to humanize it. Video resumes are high risk, high reward. Columbia's Career Design Lab reports that many big employers do welcome them, but they're supplemental, not replacements. Read it like a curated interview. What does my future boss need to know? Not just what you want to say. And here's a bonus tip, you guys. Timestamp clip indexing, like jump to experience at 30 seconds. That can make recruiters feel in control. That sort of subtle UX move shows that you're thinking about their time. So who should create one? Imagine you're applying for a customer-facing role like sales, consulting, PR, broadcasting, you get the picture. A video resume gives you a chance to flex your people skills visually. But even in technical fields, use it sparingly. If you're a software engineer with a portfolio site, a short intro can add some warmth, you guys. Bamboo HR suggests creative and journalistic fields benefit most, but engineering or data roles can still use personality overlays and code visuals for a great effect. Here's a pro tip. Don't send it unasked, especially if the industry is super traditional or regulated. You guys think legal, finance, compliance. Instead, kind of keep it as your back pocket asset when a connection asks. Start with a script, you guys. Off the cuff doesn't cut it. Draft a tight script. Career advice and CRM suggest key structure, hook, value, evidence, call to action. But go deeper. Write for sound bites. Recruiters skim the first 30 seconds. Make I solved X with Y a punchline. Pepper in company-specific language. Tailored script with a few keywords to hit ATS bots if you post it publicly. Read it out loud with your dominant accent and annotations. Record just the script as a voice test and then match your visuals and delivery to it. And you guys, keep it short and sweet. The ideal length is 60 to 90 seconds. Any longer and attention just drops off fast. That said, when addressing niche roles, go up to 2 minutes, but only if every single sentence earns its spot. Use visuals to compress information. On-screen stats or captions can share what you don't need to say. Smart editors love this. Use rhythm editing too, guys. Cut at action beats. Gasp, laugh, pause, keep momentum, and use rhythm editing. Cut at action beats like gasp, laugh, pause. It keeps momentum and it reminds the viewer it's not just one long clip. Okay, professional presentation. Dress as though you're on a live Zoom first impression. Neutral palette, no super loud patterns. The camera angle should be just above eye level because that's the most flattering. So don't shoot from below. It's like eye roll city, you guys. Soft 3-point lighting, like key, fill, backlight, beats sunlight that swings as the clouds pass. And that can give you kind of an unpredictable glare. Keep your background super clean too. So if you're using a home office, move cords and cups completely off frame. Visual clutter speaks volumes about your organization. Also, speak clearly and confidently. Try to avoid filler words. Record yourself practicing. Listen back at 1.5 speed to catch those sneaky hesitations. Bamboo HR emphasizes your tone and expression. Speak with energy. Think TED Talk light, not monotone. Use mild vocal variety. So slow down for key achievements and speed up for excitement. It shows nuanced emotional intelligence. Layer in micro pauses after each major point too. Recruiters appreciate space to process and project professionalism. And you guys, showcase your personality. As Columbia notes, be yourself. Authenticity trumps acting every single time. So that means being polished, not plastic. Use a short antidote. So when I led that project, I felt like MacGyver, but with a Gantt chart. A smile and voiced moment can truly humanize you. And humor should be light too, you guys. One tasteful quip is enough to break ice. More gets a little bit awkward pretty fast. Always circle back to value. If you're joking about your cat as your office roomie, tie it to self-motivation or work-life balance. And highlight key achievements. Pick 2 to 3 result-focused stories. Describe the challenge, solution, result. By everything. I grew signups 34% in 3 months. Use visuals, you guys. So overlay a sparkline, a photo, a badge. Show and tell beats tell only every single time. And skip duties. Recruiters skim responsible for. Instead, explain why it mattered and what changed because of you. Share a counterintuitive result, something unexpected that shows broad thinking. So we boosted conversions by simplifying our form, the opposite of expectation. Tailor it to the job. Vion recommends tailoring for each application. Mention the company name and role so it sounds custom and not generic. Include one company-specific line, reference recent news or a product launch tied to your work. And even within similar roles, tweak your descriptors, you guys. UI, UX hybrids versus visual designers. Mirror recruiter language. End with, if you're looking for someone who can X like I did at Y, then I believe I'm your person. Okay, here are some editing basics. Just cut out the stumbles and the long pauses. Editors recommend mistake audit. Pause at each spot and ask, does this slow me down? Use simple, consistent lower thirds for name and title, not flashy effects. Minimalism wins out every single time. And gentle background music, it's fine, but keep it low and royalty free. If in doubt, skip it. Exports. Upload to YouTube and Vimeo with privacy set to unlisted or passworded. Bamboo HR and Beyond suggest this for control and analytics. Okay, where and how to share? YouTube unlisted, Vimeo professional plan, or Wistia. Both let you track viewer engagement. Embed in your LinkedIn featured section with a descriptive caption. 2-minute video resume. Highlights my work and brand strategy. Include the link in your PDF resume contact information. Use a hyperlink with your name or a watch my video resume call to action. Share selectively. If emailing a recruiter directly, subtly link it in the body rather than re-including whole script visuals. Get feedback and iterate. Show a draft to mentors, but frame feedback like an editor's brief. Are the stories clear, too fast, boring anywhere? Ask new viewers to timestamp confusion. It took me too long to understand point number 2. That actionable feedback is gold, you guys. Run a small analytics test, so upload and share internally to see drop-off rates. If people leave at 45 seconds, trim before there. Iterate quietly. Even a 5-second cut reorders pacing. Test your final version on mobile. It's where most recruiters watch. Okay, here are some common mistakes to avoid. Poor audio and video kills trust. Even professionals with 60% worse lighting lose credibility. And reading script word for word, Bamboo HR warns that is guaranteed to be a little bit too boring. Okay, guys, generic videos get passed over. Tailoring costs effort but shows dedication. No call to action or contact information at the end. Without it, your video is just a monologue. So demand next steps. Find my full portfolio at XYZ and then say thanks. If you're working on your resume or realizing that yours could use more impact and less responsible for, I'm here to help. I'm Mary Southern, founder of Resume Assassin, and I specialize in one-on-one resume writing and LinkedIn optimization to help you stand out and land interviews. You guys visit www.resumeassassin.com to learn more or connect with me on LinkedIn. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so that you never miss any of my resume tips. Let me know you subscribe to my channel and I'll give you a free poll on my resume generator.